everybody, Bonnie Lee here. I'm on the Avalon View and I'm on the lower Danube, and let's just face it, anyone talking about Avalon wants to know about the Panoramic Suite. So we're not starting in the bathroom or at the door. We're starting in front of the panoramic patio doors. Look at this. Now, what does that mean that this is panoramic? Are you looking at it going, yeah, but I don't get to have a patio. I don't have a deck. Yeah, true, you don't. But you get about this much more room space because this is not your deck. This is part of your room all the time. And on those days like today, when it's sunny and it's beautiful, you're saying to yourself, hey, I totally want to feel the outside air. Let me show you how you do that. It's as simple as, you do have to unlock it, but I believe this is unlocked ahead of time. Look at this. Just gonna give it a slide. And I'm gonna walk over this way. And I'm gonna pull it some more. Look at this. So now, oops, do I have to pull this? Sorry about that. There, now I've got that pulled. Now, all of that space that would have been your deck that you would have had to walk out the door to get to is your room. The Danube is going right by. Oh, good thing I didn't fall overboard. Here it is. Look at how gorgeous this is. When you stay with Avalon and you're on the panoramic ship and you're in one of these fabulous suites, this is what you're looking at and you're waking up to every morning because your bed is here. You're kicking up in it and you're watching that. How fabulous is that? All right, this is what everybody is all about. This is what everyone wants. Now, in every suite, every cabin on Avalon, you get your fresh water every day, so you don't have to worry about that, which is really great. I love it. Tons of space here. Now, for travel professionals, when we're talking to our clients, it's important to let them know about all this space and have your clients step into the room and check it out. I've been known to stay in a room and not even find drawers until the day I leave. So by the bedside, each of the king size bed we have here, or the big bed, plenty of storage space here, plenty of space in here. And just walk with me here. I'm going to give you a couple of tips. Tip number one for anyone are these hooks, magnetic hooks. You can find them at the local hardware store. You can find them online. You can find them anywhere. They come in different weight sizes. Now, I didn't realize that when I bought these. So if I would have bought a heavier one, right here I have to have 3 to hold my little purse because it's got my phone in it. Had I bought a heavier one, I could have just had one. This works on almost every single cruise line, whether it's ocean or river. You're going to be able to share that tip out with your clients. I hang my hat, I got my umbrella. Otherwise, you kind of got these things shoved in. You know where they are, but you still got to go looking for them. So you can hang a lot of different things on here. And again, here's your desk. I don't need to open this. This is all hangers. These are all shelves. Your safe is in there, so everything is very cool. Here's the door. We're 320. That's this particular cabin number, and it is an Avalon Panoramic Suite with a gigantic bathroom. Plenty of space to store all of your things. This is what I really love up above here. Lots of counter space, opening here. So you each, if there's 2 people in the cabin, everybody's got their own side, or one person might take both sides. Here's a tip to share with your clients. If they have something like this, it's easy to hang, and you have kind of those things that you don't want to clutter because you don't need them all day. And let's take one quick look at the shower. I love a big shower. I need to feel like I can move. You can step inside. Plenty big. I'm 5 feet 1.5 now. Plenty of space for myself and plenty of space for Walt, who's like 5'8" or something like that. Here's your clothesline as well. Now, if you're not into doing your laundry, that's not a problem. You can send it out. If you're not into getting up for breakfast in the morning, that's not a problem either. You just order room service. So we are on the Avalon View, and Walt, if we can maneuver this, man, I want to go back over. I want to end by the patio door. Oh, and you have robes and slippers. I love robes and slippers myself, so let's just end right here with this. And remember, this is what you get with a Panoramic Suite. An extra, probably 2.5 feet in your room. And right over your little edge. Watch the Danube come, watch it go. So remember Avalon, when your guests are really looking for the feeling of being on the river, this is being on the river. So I hope you have a great day. See you later. Maybe I'll see you on the river. Bye.